Welcome back and good evening. And we have 76 degrees currently, and it's humid feeling here in Charleston right now, humidity at 64%. Let's see what's happening out there. This shows you the cold front moving through, and this is what is called a frontal boundary. It's a line of potential precipitation, actually a couple of lines, and there will be rounds of this precipitation possible in the next day or two. See Omaha to the west, 40 degrees right now, and again here in Charleston we are in the 70s. Right now we showed you that change of circumstances for Taylorville and told you 0.6 of an inch of rain now is what they have, and possible thunderstorms moving through to the western portion of the viewing area. So some of you might want to even consider taking cover. If you're hearing lightning, you might want to take the necessary precautions at this point in time. This is an answer to prayer for some, though, especially to the west where they've had drought conditions. Western Effingham County, I know, and here in Charleston, dry conditions still, even though we're not officially in drought. And then to the east, Crawford County in particular, and as well in northern counties, they've been dealing with drought conditions, actual drought. Our lakes, this is Effingham's Lake Sarah. This was the level earlier this summer. It's down more than 1 foot as of this morning. I was out there with the bugs and the birds because of the humidity. That's what's happening. And Ben Whitney from our staff took this photograph of the spillway here at Charleston. You'll notice there's no water moving there to replenish the Embera River, for example. That's happening throughout our viewing area. Now let's see what's going to happen a little later as things will progress past Taylorville, and you see the possibility of thunderstorms in Robinson and south of Terre Haute, but most of this rainfall will be isolated. That means scattered. It means hit or miss, hit and miss, depending on the times. And then Saturday, well, we'll get to that. 44 degrees for our overnight low, cloudy with the showers occurring early on, and maybe even, as we mentioned, the possibility of a thunderstorm. Let me step aside for those day part temperatures tomorrow. You see, this rain is affecting our temperatures. It certainly will do that, as it tends to do. After sunrise, our temperatures won't be moving up very much. 54 for the afternoon high, and then the possibilities of rainfall will return by mid-afternoon. Let's take a look at our next futurecast. This is about sunset on Saturday, and again, hit and miss precipitation activity, some possible intensity this time to the north. And as that moves through, we get into Sunday, and it looks like we have some clearing coming Sunday morning. That lasts for a while, just clouds, maybe one isolated bit of rain, and then it picks up again Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. And what you see, including around I-70 all the way through Terre Haute, the possibility of some intense rainfall at times. Our other weather story, though, is the possibility of those colder temperatures. Very, very likely to affect your Halloween trick-or-treating if you're out Monday or Tuesday night. We did have a 32-degree low earlier this month, and then things warmed back up again. Our hard freeze is not coming until actually the night of Halloween. It's actually going to be in November. Our forecast temperatures for the next 7 days significantly below normal.